Thank God there's no E. Georgie, you're annoying. You're making this pain. I can't do anything. Time to let her go free. Go on then. Off she goes. But she's not sprinting like she. Oh, there we go. No, 2 seconds. She's too fat. Confirmed. Right, give me the ball. Alright. What's this? Ready, steady, go. Fastest she's ever ran in her life. Look at the little fatty. Hello. 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 Do it again. Alright. Why are you running already? I haven't even thrown it yet. And she tripped over it. What are you doing? You're looking at all the crows over there. Do you want them? Are they tasty? Go again. What? That went fuck all anywhere. It just rolled along the floor. She's currently holding the ball in her mouth because she doesn't know. No, she wants me to throw it. Never mind. We're not in the same field anymore. Nope, that didn't leave. There we go. It was unnecessary to scare those birds off. What they do to you? I don't know where she's leading me. She's just taking me in a direction. Normally we go in over there, but she's decided she wants to go in over there. Or is it over there? We don't know. This dog has a mind of its own. I cannot control it. Someone help. I might be lost. We went 2 centimeters too far.